Hi everyone, I'm David Globke, and I'm excited to welcome you to today's JBL launch event. We're thrilled to introduce the brand new JBL SRX900 series of professional powered line array speakers, which brings award-winning JBL sound reinforcement technology into a scalable, affordable, and easy-to-use system. In the following video series, we'll begin with a features overview, and then we'll dig into rigging, de-rigging, and ground stacking systems. I'll be back to wrap things up at the end. So let's jump right in.
Welcome to the product overview video for the SRX900 powered loudspeaker system. Since their original release in 1995, SRX products have always been JBL's entry into the professional market and are universally recognized for their excellent value and best-in-class performance. The design principles have always been the same. Bring high-end technologies developed by our flagship touring systems to a package accessible to everyone. Continuing this tradition, the SRX900 series takes a new leap forward in scalable, high-performance systems and boasts an array of premium features that make it the very best system solution in this class. The line is comprised of two full-range line array elements and two subwoofers, all featuring integrated Class D amplification, premium DSP features, and a software package that gives users full system control. Systems can be deployed as ground-stacked, pole-mounted, or fully flyable using the integrated 3-point rigging system and suspension accessories. The line array models feature a full-face grille, protecting all internal components from the elements, and integrated side panels that cleanly cover all rigging hardware. The result is a streamlined, modern industrial design that looks at home in any application. The enclosures are made from a lightweight composite material and include precisely positioned internal stiffeners to reduce flex and control resonances. Molded into the enclosure are 4 slipstream double-flared ports, providing ample LF support while minimizing port noises found in traditional port designs. The woofers feature our patented dual-coil, dual-gap differential drive design and use internal neodymium magnets for better performance and reduced weight. The high-frequency section sports a 3-inch titanium compression driver mounted on a proprietary line array waveguide for optimum speaker-to-speaker summation and extended long-throw capabilities for larger applications. The low and high-frequency transducers are mounted on a common horn using our radiation boundary integrator technology. The RBI, in conjunction with sophisticated signal processing, blends the two together and processes a uniform horizontal coverage unheard of in two-way designs. Deployment of these systems is effortless thanks to the innovative 3-point rigging system that utilizes the same workflow as VTX series products. Cabinet angles are set on the ground using a simple slider and a quick-release pin, and when arrays are suspended, cabinets automatically expand to the selected positions. The two SRX900 series subwoofers perfectly complement the line array products with matched connectivity, amplifier modules, and signal processing. The subwoofers are made of 18mm plywood and coated with our tour-grade impact-resistant Duraflex finish. Full-face grills give a clean, professional look and, when used with the optional rain cover, achieve an IP54 rating. The 2279-1 differential drive woofer is at the heart of the two subwoofers, featuring dual 3-inch voice coils for maximum heat dissipation and a rigid carbon fiber-infused cone for definition and attack. A reinforced M20 attachment bracket integrates with optional accessories like base plates and speaker poles. Powering SRX900 is an efficient Class D amplifier module with large aluminum heat sinks for keeping cool and operational under any conditions. The amplifier is sealed to prevent dust and water ingress, making it ideal for the demanding conditions of live entertainment. A great deal of attention and care went into designing every part of the SRX900 system, including the accessories that transform individual elements into larger systems. The array frames are made of 2 collapsible parts and designed to be light, versatile, compact, and very easy to use. The extension bar can be positioned to the front or the rear of an array, allowing for extreme up-tilt or down-tilt configurations. For applications requiring substantial down-tilt, The pullback accessory can be used with a secondary rigging point to achieve greater down angles than otherwise possible with the array frame alone. The base plate accessories allow quick and easy ground stacking of SRX900 line arrays on top of subwoofers, allowing systems to be used in situations where rigging points are not available. For smaller applications, the pole mount adapter can be used in conjunction with the base plate to pole mount up to 2 SRX906LA speakers. Paired with the dedicated preset, this makes the SRX906LA one of the most versatile systems on the market. The transportation accessories are designed with dimensions optimized for maximum truck packing efficiency. The compact SRX906LA cabinets pack in road cases in groups of 4. The subwoofers can accept the optional casters and softcover for protection during transportation. The SRX910LA uses a vertical transporter with a hardtop, allowing other equipment to be stacked on top when packed in a truck. An optional softcover is available to protect cabinets from scuffing and chipping. As individual elements are combined to become a larger system, predicting, configuring, managing, and monitoring becomes critical to the success of the show. The Line Array Calculator 3 software handles system design and allows building and validating systems, ensuring the performance requirements are met. The advanced algorithms predict the system coverage, calculate the required rigging parameters, and validate arrays for safety. The parameters can then be transferred to the ArrayLink mobile application with a QR code, making it very easy for the crew to have all relevant information in the field. Once deployed and cabled, the system is ready for monitoring and control. H-Control is a groundbreaking communication protocol developed by Harman Professional specifically to meet the needs of the audio industry. Based on TCP/IP, it operates over standard networking equipment and gives users the ability to control the system wirelessly from anywhere in the venue. From there, the performance application takes over. Performance uses a workflow-based user interface, enabling visual system control, testing, tuning, and device health monitoring. The software provides access to the powerful SRX900 onboard DSP that utilizes the same algorithms found in other Harman flagship devices like the Crown iTech HD series amplifiers. Typical parameters like gain, delay, and EQ are available along with SRX900 specific functions like array size compensation and FIR-based throw distance compensation filters. This comprehensive system management solution is available across multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, and iPadOS, and along with LAC and ArrayLink provides the ultimate software package to support SRX900 systems. Drawing on JBL's long history of groundbreaking technology and innovative loudspeaker design, the SRX900 series meets the needs of any application where high performance, comprehensive control, and legendary JBL sound are required. Each part of the system was purposefully designed and thought through with full consideration for its intended use, and each accessory carefully matched to achieve a system that's powerful, lightweight, and scalable. The JBL SRX900 series continues the remarkable legacy of the SRX line and sets a new standard in this category, making it the perfect investment for sound companies small and large. Hello, and welcome to the rigging tutorial for the SRX900 series of line array products. Before attempting to rig an SRX900 series array, always use JBL Line Array Calculator 3 to calculate cabinet angles and check the mechanical safety of the arrays. Once this is done, the array parameters can be transferred through a QR code to the ArrayLink mobile application, ensuring the crew has all the relevant information in the field. Both the SRX906LA and SRX910LA products have identical rigging systems and follow the same steps for deployment. To start rigging an SRX910LA array, remove the top cap of the vertical transporter and then the cover. For an SRX906LA array, Open the cases and set them aside. Each enclosure has two fixed points at the front for connecting cabinets and a simple mechanism at the rear for setting the cabinet-to-cabinet splay angle. Facing the rear of the cabinet on the right side is an angle selection pin and a link pin used for connecting cabinets together. The left side has a stop pin, which is used after speakers are suspended to stop cabinets from collapsing in configurations where arrays are in compression. Setting angles is easy. Simply remove the angle selection pin, which is usually in the storage position, and slide the link bar vertically so that the indicator mark is aligned with the intended angle. Once aligned, reinsert the pin into the corresponding hole. 12 angle positions are available, up to a maximum cabinet-to-cabinet splay of 12 degrees. Cabinet angles must always be set starting from the top cabinet and working downward. This ensures clearance for the link bars to move to the correct positions. The array frame must be connected to the top of the first stack once its angles are set. To ensure that the array frame sits level with the top cabinet, the angle of the first speaker should always be set to 0.5 degrees. This position is marked as AF on the rigging label. SRX900 array frames are made up of two separate components, the spreader bar and the extension bar. The two-part design makes them very compact, lightweight, and easy to store. The spreader bar always connects to the front of the top speaker, and the orientation is critical for correct deployment. Follow the label at the top to ensure the correct side faces forward. Pin the spreader bar to the top cabinet using the correct A, B, or C hole on both sides. These positions are used for higher resolution in single-point rigging configurations. Next, connect the extension bar to the spreader bar using the two pins, one from each side. Depending on the required angle, the extension bar can attach to the rear or front of the array. Pin the link bar of the top cabinet to the extension bar using the same A, B, or C hole that was used at the front. All of the extension bar mechanical details, including the center of gravity adjustment, orientation, and shackle position, are available in the Array Configuration tab of the Line Array Calculator 3 application and in the Frames section of the Array Link mobile application. Next, connect the hoist and lift the first stack off the ground. As the hoist lifts, each cabinet will expand to the selected angle. Be aware that the cluster may swing forward as it lifts off the ground. Stop lifting when the array is suspended a short distance off the ground. Ensure that the cabinets are fully extended and move the stop pins into their positions. Disconnect the case bottom or VT by first removing the front pins. Next, remove the stop pin and unhook the rear mounting arm. Remove the link pin to prepare to connect the next stack of 4 cabinets. To continue building the array, roll the next stack of cabinets into place below the suspended cluster and set the angles. Lower the array until the front attachment points make full contact and secure the stack at the front with 2 pins. Use the hoist to lift the array, and be aware that the cluster may swing forward as it lifts off the ground and the cabinets expand. Ensure that the cabinets are fully expanded and insert the stop pins of the bottom stack of cabinets. Grab the rear handlebar of the transporter and pull backward while lowering the array until the front wheels touch the ground. Continue lowering the array until the rear attachment points are drawn close together and insert the link pin. Lift the array off the ground, insert the stop pin, and remove the VT or case bottom. Repeat these steps until the entire array is completed. Once the array is complete, the final step is to store the transporters and cases. In the case of the SRX910LA, the vertical transporters can be pinned together for storage. To do that, first prepare the VT top by inserting the pin to the correct position on the link bar. Then slide the VT top onto its bottom and use the opening at the top to align the two together. Once aligned, pin the front connection points. Multiple transporters and covers can be stacked together for storage. For the SRX906LA, simply close the cases. Thank you for watching. For additional information on the SRX900 rigging system, refer to the SRX900 series rigging manual. Hello, and welcome to the de-rigging tutorial for the SRX900 series of line array products. To begin the de-rigging process, lower the array to a safe, workable height. Remove the stop pins from the bottom 5 cabinets and place them in the storage position in the handle. Attach the vertical transport cart or case bottom by hooking the rear attachment bar to the lowest cabinet and then inserting the stop pin to secure it. Lift the front of the VT or case and attach the front points using the 2 pins attached to the bottom cabinet. Use the rear handle at the base to pull the lower section back while simultaneously lowering the array onto the front wheels. Nudging the array slightly to one side as the wheels touch the ground will eliminate any unexpected movement as the wheels rotate into position. Continue lowering the array until the gap between the 4th and 5th cabinets from the bottom is fully closed. Set the link bars of the lowest 4 cabinets to the 12-degree storage position. This must be done working from the lowest cabinet up to allow clearance for the bars to move. The storage position locks the cabinets together for transportation. Remove the rear link pin from the 5th cabinet up and lift the array. Allow the stack of cabinets to roll forward until the cart is resting safely on all 4 wheels. Remove the front 2 pins to separate the stacks. If you feel any resistance removing the front pins, bump the suspended array down. Repeat this process for the remaining sections of the array. Once an SRX910LA array is fully de-rigged, put on the soft cover and install the top of the VT. After de-rigging an SRX906LA array, cover the entire stack with the hard case lid and secure the 4 latches. The arrays are now ready for transportation. Thank you for watching. For additional information on the SRX900 rigging system, refer to the SRX900 series rigging manual. Hello, and welcome to the ground stacking video tutorial for the SRX900 series of line array products. When paired with optional accessories, SRX900 products can be used in a variety of ground stacking configurations in addition to the traditional suspended options, increasing flexibility and deployment options. The base plates are used for attaching small arrays on top of compatible products like the SRX918S and SRX928S subwoofers. The same base plates can be used to directly attach arrays to structures, such as a stage deck, for permanent installations. In the case of the SRX906LA, the base plate also can be used to mount 1 or 2 speakers on top of a standard speaker pole. As always, begin by planning your ground-stacked arrays in the Line Array Calculator 3 application, which must be used to verify mechanical safety and stability. To build a mixed array on top of subwoofers, start by positioning and leveling the subwoofers in the desired location. Ground-stacked arrays must always be deployed on flat level surfaces and secured to the ground to prevent tipping hazards. The SRX918S and 928S subwoofers include an M20 threaded mounting bracket at the top for attaching a base plate or a threaded pole. To attach a base plate, start by removing the large M20 screw from its storage position and use it to connect the base plate to the subwoofer. Pin the angle selection pin to the rear of the base plate. If the subwoofer stack is more than 1 cabinet high, the cabinets must be secured together using a ratchet strap. The strap should wrap around the entire body of both subwoofers and feed through the ratchet strap channel cut into either side of the base plate. Prepare the first cabinet by removing the link pin and installing the stop pin into the angle selection plate. Place the cabinet onto the base plate and secure the 2 front corners. Set the angle plate to the desired position and insert the link pin. Set the angle of the first cabinet by extending the link bar to the desired angle and inserting the pin into the corresponding hole. With the stop pin inserted, stack the next cabinet on top, pin the cabinets together, and set the angle for the next cabinet. Continue this method to build the remainder of the array. Follow these steps in reverse to unstack the arrays. The SRX906LA base plate also can be used to mount up to 2 SRX906LA cabinets on top of a standard 35mm speaker pole, which might be part of a standalone speaker tripod or mounted on top of a subwoofer using an extension rod. The VTX PM universal pole mount adapter is used in conjunction with the base plate for this configuration. To mount the pole mount adapter to the base plate, attach the 2 included M10 thumb screws to the threaded inserts located on the bottom of the base plate. Next, mount and secure the completed assembly on top of the rod and attach the 906LA cabinets one at a time. It's recommended that the bottom cabinet be around 1.9 meters from the ground for optimum coverage. Thank you for watching. For additional information on the SRX900 rigging system, refer to the SRX900 series rigging manual.
So that's the first look of the SRX900 series. Whether you're expanding your inventory or building a new system from the ground up, the SRX900 series delivers the power and performance you'd expect from the leader in pro sound reinforcement technology. Thank you all for joining us today. We can't wait for you to hear these incredible systems for yourself. The SRX900 series is available now, and you can learn more by visiting www.jblpro.com.